Family tax benefit changes from the 1st of July. They're going to freeze a number of the thresholds, which just means that as your income increases, it's going to push people over those thresholds and they will no longer receive benefits, or they'll receive reduced benefits. That's commencing from the 1st of July 2014. Some other changes that are going to impact the family tax benefits are the threshold for family tax benefit Part B. So this is where it really does impact single income families. If you've got one spouse earning, say, $120,000 to $130,000 up to $150,000, and one spouse not working, because there was one spouse not working and they were under this $150,000 threshold, and this is if they've got children, for example, then they would get about $4,000 in family tax benefit Part B. That's no longer going to occur, and if your income is over $100,000. So it's going to be a hit for those people who are in that situation of potentially $4,000 from family tax benefit Part B. Now, if you have children, and there's also going to be a requirement that you have to have your youngest child less than 6 years of age. There is going to be a transitional period where if you are currently receiving family tax benefit Part B and have kids, your youngest child is over 6 years of age, they're going to extend the payment of that family tax benefit Part B for an additional 2 years. So that'll stop around June of 2017. So a key take-home message here is focus on cash flow management if you're in this particular situation. I know there weren't that many people online that are in that scenario because we've got a slightly different demographic focused on this webinar, but really important to focus on your cash flow management if you are earning that over 100K and currently receiving family tax benefit Part B. Family tax benefit Part A and B, the end of year supplements, are going to reduce from the current levels of $725 to a flat rate of $600 or $354 to $300, and there's not going to be indexed up over time. And the large family supplement, which is effectively for each additional child, it was currently after the third child, you would receive an additional $12.04 per fortnight. They're pushing that out to the large family being considered the fourth child and subsequent children. So if you've got 3 children, you're going to get less, $12.04 less on a fortnightly basis if you were eligible for that previously.